Okay, back doing gameplays again. So for all of you that are new, hi, I'm Russell. So, today is Will You Press This Button, and oh my god, look at that, that is already a stupid one. Okay, let's begin. Will you press this button? You get 10 grand, but someone you have met dies. Oh god, no. No, I don't think I want to do that. 52% says no, and 48 is yes. Will you press this button? You become incredibly popular, have so many friends, and everyone loves you, but there's always a voice in the back of your head bringing you down and saying horrible things about you. I want to see what happens. Oh, 52's no. Oh no! The world will have peace, but you will be sacrificed. Let me see. 58 is yes, and 42 is no. Will you press this button? You will have unlimited funds and never want money again, but you will have poor health and your lifespan is half of what it is before. Sure. 70% says no, but only a measly 30% says yes. You can have You can have any amount of money you can think of, but for every dollar you wish for, a day of your life is removed. That's the same as last time. But instead of the lifespan, it's poor health. God, I think we already answered that one. You will get the best computer ever built ever, but it can only run Linux with no internet. Nah. You'd become invisible, but you must not have clothes on for life. Okay, sure. Let's be invisible so I can run around naked. Oh god. Will you press this button? Every time you speak someone's full name, they'll be required to perform a favor for you. But you can only request a favor once from each person, and they'll be an enemy for the rest of your life. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why? Everyone works for you, but there's always a rebellion. Yeah, rebel it up! Let's be rebellious. Oh, come on. 35% said yes. Oh, you have the ability to read minds, but you can't turn it off. Nah, I don't care. Oh, come on. 59 for yes. Mars would become a planet similar to Earth, and humans would be able to live there, but Earth will explode after 500 years. Well, yeah, whatever. I'll be dead in 500 years anyway. You can do what you want when I'm dead. Alright. You will... Oh no. You can control your dreams, but every time you get up, you will change into another person. Yeah, sure, what the hell? Oh, 38% had pressed this button. and 62 is not. Oh no, you fight one horse-sized duck, but if you don't press the button, you fight 100-sized duck horses. 100 duck-sized horses if I don't press this button. Fine. You will gain the ability to pause time at any moment. You may affect the world around you while it is frozen, however. No electronics will work. You also will not age when time is paused, but all your friends and family will age at an accelerated rate while you age at a slower one. This effect is passed on to all friends and family, even ones gained after pressing of this button. No! Oh, thank God. 41 says yes, 59 is no. Oh boy. Oh boy. Why? Hang on. My apologies, too many ads are popping up. Anyway, let's continue. You save the world, but you will vanish from everyone's memory. Oh. Okay, fine. The Holocaust never happens, and Germany wins World War II. Okay. So I push this button, the Holocaust never happens, but Germany wins World War II. Hell no. Oh. Will you press this button? Internet trolls cease to exist, but you can no longer interact with anyone in any way over the internet. Nah, who cares? 2377. You get a time machine, but you can only travel forward, never back. Oh. Why? I want to go back. Come on. Oh, 50-50. Could go either way. You gain immense power and are capable of doing whatever you want, but in 25 years' time, your soul will be reaped and you will enter a catatonic state. I don't think so. Every child on Earth won't suffer ever again, but you won't be able to have kids ever again. Yeah, fair point. I'll press. Another Earth is created, and it's developed like ours, but their civilization wants to destroy yours. Yes, destroy us! Hello? Press. Oh. God damn it. Will you press this button? You can get any girl or guy you want, but you can never fall in love. Well, if that's how it's gonna be, well, that's how it's gotta be. I'm just gonna be a soulless bastard for the rest of my life. Okay, let's do this. 38% agreed to this. 62% says no. Oh. Ooh, I like this one. Will you press this button? You will become a successful YouTuber, more than 4 million subscribers, but you can't watch more than one YouTube video a day. I stand corrected. I stand corrected for this one. That is a terrible one. Why? I don't want to watch my videos every day if it's one. Oh. Will you press this button? You can live in any fictional world, but you will die how the main enemy dies. Aww. Okay, I'll do it. Aww. 45% said yes. Will you press this button? Every present conflict in the world is insanely resolved. Or insanely so. Let me start again. Every present conflict in the world is instantly resolved, but you will die. Okay, I'll take it. Yay! I'm one of those people that will sacrifice. You can forget any TV show, movie, or book to be enjoyed again for the first time, but you forget every first time you enjoyed the story forever. And no. That was a weird one. You can control ice, and thus become immune to cold, able to cast any ice-related spell you desire, but your bones become very brittle, like ice, and thus breaks under a fourth of their normal threshold of pressure. Screw it, let's say yes. Damn it. Damn it. Oh god, alright. You can change your human capabilities, looks, intelligence, and power, as long as they are not superhuman, but you must kill someone every week with your own 2 hands. No thanks. Oh god. 33% agree to this, while 67 says no. Oh boy. Oh man, this is just so cruel now. Will you press this button? You have the perfect body for the rest of your life, but everyone else is fat and ugly. God. No. No. You become immortal and you fly permanently, but you will never be able to touch the ground again. What? I will never be able to touch the ground again. I want to see what happens. 58% said yes. They don't want to touch the ground ever again. You are the smartest person in the world, but no one will ever know. And you work a menial labor job for your entire life. Oh, that is just wrong. Will you press this button? You can get a ton of candy you love, but you can't ever read a book again. Okay. Oh god. 36%. You have unlimited supply of energy drinks, but your skin is slowly turning green. Ugh, no. No, 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 no. You can read any book simply by making physical contact with it, but you can no longer read anything using your eyes. Are you describing a blind person? That sounds like a blind person. They physically contact the book with their finger because it's in Braille. I don't think so, man. That's a bit too far. I don't think so. Oh, okay. Will you press this button? Any fictional world you want from a book, game, TV show, or movie now exists, and you will never live there. Is it never? Hang on. Oh wait, no, sorry, let me read that again. Any fictional world you want from a book, game, TV show, or movie now exists, and you will live there, but the world ceases to exist, everyone here will die, so everyone there may live. Sure, let's have a look. Ah, 48%. You can any food and make it taste like anything you want. But any drink you consume tastes like the worst thing ever imaginable. Nope. I prefer to have my drinks. You get to turn into a beautiful girl, but you will have the brains of a bimbo. Yeah, I may as well be stupid. Damn it. Oh man, alright. Okay. Oh god. You know what, man? Some of those were just so cruel. Some of them were so bloody cruel, man. Oh. Oh, anyway. That's all the time I've got for today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you want. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.